folks. This is how you do it. This is how you rough it at the Red River Gorge. But you stay in this place. Look at all these guys. Mr. Kevin's with us. We have the infamous Dan Down. How we doing today, Daniel?
Good.
And then our expert rider of the group, Mr. Runyon, with his specced out, spiffy 1250 BMW GS. Just look at that thing, folks. No other thing like it. Everybody's rested. Dan's having issues. That will go on the film, folks. We are here. We are live. We are in Kentucky. Let's see how today's goes. 'Cause what are we doing today, Dan?
Daniel Boone Backcountry Byway.
Yeah, we're doing something like that, and then probably branch off and decide that we will follow Tim's Garmin, which will usually get us into trouble, so we'll go from there. So, all right, folks, we'll see you soon. Later. Bye. All right, we're packing up, getting ready to leave. Normally waiting on Tim, as usual. Oh yeah, this is wonderful here. Kevin. I'm a little bit behind you because I had to stop and fix my camera, so we're good. Just keep going, I'll catch up to you. Slippy sloppy here. Dan, could you get down here? And how deep is it? Yeah, it's pretty deep there.
Here, let's see. If we get across there.
Oh, it looks shallow. I mean, worst case, you go down this way and then come back, but it's hard to do that in the gravel. I mean, in the. Well, we can always turn you around and just come down there and just go up the middle then. Because you'll have a straight shot. You won't have to turn your bike angled so much.
That's what I'm.
Kevin, you got that all day. You and Tim got that. You just got to hit it hard getting up there.
Hit it hard. Last famous last words.
Hit it hard. You can do it, Dan. Oh yeah, look at you. You're just you're an expert. As he sinks straight in. Oh, you had that all day long. Well, if you do plan on doing it, wait until I get over there so I can get some film.
I'll try it.
Okay. Where'd you park at? Oh yeah. Kevin's gonna try to go. Nah, hey, now you know Tim's got to try it. Nice job. How we doing?
Hell yeah.
Nice job there. Yeah, baby. This Desert HT's come in handy, brother. Woo! What's wrong? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Help. Help. Help.